Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we have some major developments in the world of smartwatches, and it looks like Samsung is bringing back a fan-favorite feature that many users have been longing for. Samsung has officially decided to revisit its legacy by reviving the beloved Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, reintroducing the iconic rotating bezel that has set Samsung's smartwatches apart for years. But that's not all. Samsung is also hinting at a groundbreaking new feature that could redefine the entire smartwatch industry. The nostalgic comeback, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic with rotating bezel. For years, Samsung's rotating bezel has been one of the most distinctive and functional features of its smartwatch lineup. However, last year, the company made a bold move by discontinuing the Classic model and instead launching the Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Ultra was designed to compete head-to-head with Apple's Watch Ultra, boasting superior battery life, a more rugged design, and enhanced performance. While the Ultra model did have its strengths, it came at the expense of the much-loved rotating bezel, a feature that many users, myself included, found incredibly satisfying and practical. Physically rotating through menus provides a tactile experience that touchscreen navigation simply cannot replicate. Swiping on a screen works, but there's something uniquely enjoyable about the smooth, precise movement of a rotating bezel. Recognizing this, Samsung has listened to user feedback and is bringing the Classic model back in the form of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. This is not just speculation. The Watch 8 Classic was recently spotted in the GSMA database, confirming that it is indeed on the way. If you've missed the satisfying spin of the bezel, this is great news. What about the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2? Now, the big question remains, what happens to the Galaxy Watch Ultra? There are two likely scenarios. Either Samsung will launch both the Watch Ultra 2 and the Watch 8 Classic together in July, alongside the standard Galaxy Watch 8, or, and this seems more probable, Samsung will stagger the releases. Based on Samsung's historical release patterns, they tend to alternate between Classic and Ultra models. Given this trend, it wouldn't be surprising if the Ultra 2 is pushed to next year. So, while we may see the Classic return this year, those hoping for an Ultra sequel might need to be patient. The game-changing innovation, non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. Beyond hardware refinements, Samsung is reportedly working on what could be the most revolutionary health feature in smartwatch history, non-invasive blood glucose monitoring. This technology has been described as the holy grail of health monitoring, allowing users to check their blood sugar levels without the need for painful needle pricks or test strips. Last year, there were rumors that the Galaxy Watch Ultra would be the first to introduce this feature, but unfortunately, it didn't cut. However, recent developments suggest that Samsung has made significant strides in this area. Samsung's senior vice president recently hinted at major progress in bringing this feature to market. If the company manages to integrate non-invasive blood glucose monitoring into the Watch 8 Classic, or even a future model, it would be a monumental breakthrough, particularly for those managing diabetes or anyone who wants to keep a closer eye on their health. The race to implement this technology is heating up, as Apple is also reportedly working on similar capabilities for its upcoming Apple Watch models. If Samsung can beat Apple to the punch, it could solidify its position as the industry leader in smartwatch health innovations. Software upgrades, Google's AI overhaul with Gemini. Beyond hardware advancements, Samsung smartwatches are about to get a major software boost thanks to Google. Google is in the process of rolling out a massive upgrade to Wear OS, introducing a brand new AI assistant powered by Google Gemini. This is not just a minor update. Gemini is designed to be a next-generation AI assistant that will replace Google Assistant on Android smartwatches, including Galaxy Watches. What makes Gemini special? Unlike traditional voice assistants, Gemini is expected to be more conversational, more intelligent, and far more helpful in day-to-day tasks. Whether it's providing smarter responses, offering contextual suggestions, or seamlessly integrating with other apps and services, Gemini is set to take smartwatch AI to the next level. The best part, even older Galaxy Watch models will receive this update, ensuring that more users can experience the benefits of this advanced AI. When can we expect these changes? As of now, there are no exact dates for these upcoming releases, but based on Samsung's usual launch schedule, we can expect major announcements in the coming months. If history repeats itself, the Galaxy Watch 8 lineup, including the Watch 8 Classic, should debut around July, possibly alongside other Samsung devices like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. However, the Ultra may not arrive until next year, following Samsung's alternating release strategy. As for the software updates, Google's Gemini AI and Wear OS enhancements are expected to roll out gradually, with some features possibly arriving later this year. Samsung is likely to integrate these updates into its ecosystem, further refining the smartwatch experience for users. Final thoughts. Samsung's decision to bring back the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic with its signature rotating bezel is a clear indication that the company values user feedback. The return of the bezel, combined with potential advancements in health monitoring and AI-powered software updates, makes the future of Samsung smartwatches more exciting than ever. While we may have to wait a bit longer for the Ultra 2, the Watch 8 Classic alone is shaping up to be a compelling option for those who crave a premium smartwatch experience. With non-invasive blood glucose monitoring on the horizon and AI-driven improvements set to enhance functionality, Samsung's smartwatch ecosystem is on the verge of a significant transformation. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Classic series or someone looking for cutting-edge health features, the upcoming Galaxy Watch lineup is something to keep an eye on. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.